Good day, sir. My name is Gerard Wayne P. Venturina. I'm a student nurse from Locon Solution University, Philippines. Today, I will be demonstrating the proper procedure for removing sutures and staples. I have prepared all necessary equipments, ensured patient safety, and followed a aseptic technique. When to remove sutures or staples? According to guideline, timing depends on wound type and location. For many skin incisions, non-absorbable sutures or staples are often removed in roughly 7 to 14 days after surgery. And then for certain areas, example is depending on tension, movement, and vascularity, decisions may vary. Removal should only proceed when the wound edges are well approximated together without gaps, and there is no evidence of infection, abnormal swelling, drainage, or other signs of poor healing. A physician or qualified healthcare provider has given an order for removal. If conditions are not met, examples would not healed, infections, dehiscence, etc., removal must be postponed. So, ang materials po na kailangan po natin for staple removal is staple remover, clean and sterile gloves, sterile gauze pads, antiseptic solution, sterile field or drape, sterile strips, dressing materials, waste container or receptacle, and hand hygiene supplies. So sa preparation, I perform hand hygiene and prepare the sterile field, and I explain the staple removal procedure to the patient. And I clean the incision line and inspect for any signs of infection. So sa procedure po is magsusot na po tayo ng clean gloves. Then, after po natin magsuot ng clean gloves, i-check na po natin, i-remove na po natin yung dressing ng sugat po ni patient. Sir, tanggalin ko lang po. Taas ko lang po konti. Then, i-dispose na po natin yung dressing. Then, pagka-remove po natin, i-check po natin kung may signs ng infection or swelling. Then, i-check po natin kung ilan yung staple na nakakabit. So, as you can see po, 3 po yung nakakabit. Then, start na po tayo ng procedure sa pagtanggal. And then, sa pag-remove po ng bawat staple, hold po natin yung staple remover under middle of the staple. Then, after po, place po natin, squeeze po natin siya hanggang sa maging mabend po siya sa M shape. And then gently lift the staple straight up out of the skin. So, nag-improvise po tayo ng staples. Then pagka ipi-place po natin sa gitna, then M shape, then gently pull up. Then magre-ready po tayo ng sterile strips every staple na ma-remove po natin. Pagka-remove po ng isa, gently lift up. So, pagkatanggal po ng isang staple, magpe-prepare po tayo ng gauze pad na paglalagyan ng sterile strips, ng staples. Lalagay po natin sa then, lagay tayo ng sterile strips. Then, tanggal po ulit. Then, same procedure. Tanggal. gently lift up. Yung pagka-lift up, lagay sa gauze pad. And then, lagay tayo ng Steri-Strips. Same procedure, last one. Then, complete po yung natanggal nating staple. Tatlo siya. And then, after nun, i-clean na po natin yung sugat ni patient. Then, maglalagay na po ulit tayo ng bagong dressing. Then, after matanggal lahat ng staples, magpe-place na tayo ng bagong dressing. And then next po is mag-a-apply tayo ng after natin mag-apply ng dressing, ensure po natin na si patient is comfortable and dispose po natin yung sharps properly and perform hand hygiene. After that, mag-proceed tayo sa documentation sa number ng staples na na-remove po natin, and then wound assessment and patient's response.